Hi, my name is Nura Laila binti Mama Amran. My student ID is 2024924679.
Hi, my name is Siti Nomardina Muhammad Osmadi. My matric number is 2023886058.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Imanina binti Muhammad Mohlis and my metric number is 2022852698. Now I will explain what is compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on the deposit or a loan calculated based on both initial principal and all the accumulated interest from previous period. Compound interest formula we have S, P, J, I, M, and T. S we know as future value. P is a present value or the principal. J interest per period. I is interest rate per year, and M is the number of time interest, and the last one T, the time of the year. Now we have the formula for future value. S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N. Then the second formula is compound interest formula is I equals to S minus P. So now let's take a look for the example of case study for the compound interest. So the question is, Mr. Raven invests a total amount of RM5,000 in a current account at Holong Bank, aiming to grow his saving over time through interest accumulation. The bank charged interest rate of 3.24%, which was compounded on a monthly over a period of 7 years. So the objectives of this question is, firstly, we need to find the amount earned after 7 years, and next, we need to find the interest amount earned, and lastly, if additional deposit was made after 3 years of the first deposit, what is the accumulated amount? So now, let's solve the first question together, which is, this first question required us to find the amount earned after 7 years. So to solve this question, we will use the formula S equal to P 1 plus I power of N. So from the case study, we already got a few important information, which are P is equal to RM 5,000 ringgit, T is equal to 7 years, I equal to J over M, which is 0.0324 over 12, and N is equal to M times T, which is 12 times 7 equal to 84. And now we put all the information into the formula, and then it will be like S equal to RM 5,000 ringgit, open bracket 1 plus 0.0324 over 12, close bracket, power of 84, and we will get the final answer, which is RM 6,270 ringgit point 98 cent. Moving on to the next question, we required to find the interest amount earned. So this question, we will use the formula of I equal to S minus P, which S represent as future value and P is represent as present value. So as we put all the information into the formula, it will be like I equal to RM 6,270 ringgit point 98 cent minus RM 5,000 ringgit, and we will get the final answer is RM 1,270 ringgit point 98 cent. Now I will explain the last question. Is C. If additional deposit was made after 3 years of the first deposit, what is the accumulated amount? The first solution is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. S equals to 5,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0324 over 12 power of 84, as equals to RM 6,341.41. That's the answer. The second solution is find the new principal. P equals to S plus 5,000. P RM 6,341.41 plus 5,000. The answer is P RM 11341.41. The third solution is Find the future value S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I of power of n as Rm 11341.41 in bracket 1 plus 0.0324 over 12 power of 48 uh, as the answer of S is Rm 24528.34.
An annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of regular time period. This means you pay or receive the same amount of money on a regular schedule like every month or year. Some examples of annuities include mortgage payment, pension payments, regular saving account deposit, and insurance policy premium. Now, let's look at the formulas used for annuities. We use this formula to find the future value and annuity. S equals R multiplied by open bracket, open parenthesis 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 close parenthesis divided by I close bracket, where S is the future value, R is the regular payment, I is the interest per period, and n is the number of periods. To find the interest earned, we use I equals S minus R times n.
Example of annuity case study. The question is about Mr. Adam is considering purchasing a bungalow house in Rawang, Selangor in Mudah.my for Rm 6,4800 ringgit. He plans to make a down payment of 65,000 ringgit and finance the remaining amount with a 35 years mortgage from CIMB Bank at an interest rate of 5.05% per annum compounded monthly. The objective of the question is we need to calculate the monthly mortgage payment for Mr. Adam, and next we need to calculate the total interest Mr. Adam will pay over the life of the loan, and lastly, if Mr. Adam fails to pay the first four monthly payment, we need to find the amount he has to pay on the fifth payment in order to settle the outstanding balance in full. For question A, the monthly mortgage payment for Mr. Adam, the formula is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of negative n over I 583,000 equals R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.0042083 power of negative 420 over 0.0042083. The answer is RM 2860.95.
To find the total interest, interest equals 2,960 ringgit and 95 cents times 420 minus 583,000. That equals 660,599 ringgit. If Mr. Adam missed the first 4 monthly payment, this is what he must pay on the 5th month to settle everything. We use the formula S equals R multiplied by open bracket, open parenthesis 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 close parenthesis divided by I close bracket. R is 2,960 ringgit and 95 cents. I is 0.0042083. N is 5. Now we calculate S equals 2,960 ringgit and 95 cents multiplied by open bracket, open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0042083 to the power of 5 minus 1 close parenthesis divided by 0.0042083 close bracket. That gives us 40,929 ringgit and 88 cents.
So, as a conclusion, compound interest and annuities are foundational concepts in financial planning and investment. Compound interest enables money to grow exponentially over time as interest is earned on both the principal and accumulated interest. This principle highlights the importance of starting early and letting investments grow. And on the other hand, annuities provide a structured approach to saving and receiving funds typically used for retirement planning, whether through lump sum investments or periodic payments. Annuities offer predictable income streams. So, understanding both tools is essential for effective long term financial management and achieving financial goals.